In today's video, we're going to be working on this contraption. This is a 1920s era Jacobsen reel mower. This thing features a Jacobsen 2-stroke hit and miss gas engine and is quite the hefty unit. And today we're going to see if we can get it unstuck, running, and cutting grass. I hope you guys stick around to see how things go and all the interesting things we find out about this mower. And with that being said, let's get right into it, and I hope you guys enjoy. I saw this mower on Facebook Marketplace out in Maine of all places, and the moment I saw it, I knew I had to have it. Little did I know that my actual mower would break down this year and kind of force me to make this video, as I need something to cut my lawn. Now with the mower 100% disassembled, I can look everything over and decide what I need to fix, as well as how I want to make this thing look when I'm done. Upon further inspection, it looks like there might be some paint underneath all this rust and grime, so I decided to try and give everything a good cleaning and see how it turns out. This was a wise decision because there was a nice vibrant blue underneath a lot of the rust and grime. Next thing up is trying to figure out the bed knife and the reel. Looking at the bed knife and the reel, I decided I should take the reel over to the lathe as well as work on the bed knife to try and get it flatter. So I took a lapping stone to this blade, and it didn't by any means clean up, but it at least showed me where the high points were, and it kind of tracks with what I figured it'd be. This thing's held on with 5 screws, and there's 5 bumps in this because over time it's rusted underneath the plate that the main blade attaches to and kind of warped it a bit. That's not what I was seeing when this was rubbing on it on the mower. It was rubbing only in the middle and not on the edges, meaning that this has bowed over time. I'm not sure exactly how that works, but there's so many components in this reel itself. Anything could have happened all that time. It could have got hit, it could have got bumped, it could have rusted and expanded something weird in all these rivets and mounting brackets. I had lapped this in a bit until everything just had a little rub to it. I'll probably go another step further just to make sure it's somewhat flat, and then I'm going to take this on the lathe and I'm going to turn it down until it's shiny on the edge, and we'll go from there. And hopefully this doesn't make it cut worse than it would have if I left it alone. I'm going to get right to it. Alright, I got everything cleaned up, inspected, loose, fixed, or otherwise now. With that being said, I'm going to use a little bit of movie magic here because you guys don't need to see me reassemble this. It's the opposite of taking it apart, except it's clean now. So I'm going to get this thing put back together and then we'll see if it runs. If you're enjoying this video, please consider leaving a comment down below. They really help the channel out and let this video be seen by more people. As well as share it with your friends if you think anybody'd be interested in watching. I appreciate all your help and I hope you're enjoying. The final step here before we see if the thing runs and cuts grass, I want to give this handle a nice finish. I'm going to get some of the dirt off of it with some Scotch-Brite, making sure not to touch the decal, and then I'm going to rub it in with some boiled linseed oil, let it soak in, and then buff it out, and it should turn out really nice. Alright, so I wiped it down with boiled linseed oil until it stopped soaking it in. I let it sit for like 5 minutes and then I wiped it down lightly with a rag, and then I'm going to let it cure like this, and then I'm going to buff it, and it should give the rounded parts a nice shine to them, as well as you can see how nice it made the decal look. I think that'll make the mower look a lot better, and I think it's about time we get this put on there and see if the thing will run. I left the main drive chain unhooked from the motor to first test run it just in case there's any other problems. I'm still not sure how well I have the reel mower set. When I tested it by hand, it was cutting paper, which in my head means it's set right, but I'm not really sure. Let's throw some gas in it and see if it'll run. Let's hope this goes well. Oh, I heard a pop. It ran. I did not expect it to be that quiet. Holy cow. Alright, my choke was catching funny and it wasn't choking all the way, I think was my problem. So I turned the choke wire around to see if it fixed it. Hey! Sweet. Runs pretty good. I'm going to throw the chain on real quick and I'll meet you in my backyard. We'll see if this thing cuts grass or if I did something wrong and it no longer cuts grass. Alright, well the rain's coming in quick here. I got it outside beside my house. Hopefully we get all this filming done before it rains, otherwise this video is probably going to be cut short. Sorry if you hear any semis in the background. Apparently it's a busy day. All right, well, that's going to be it for today's video. If you liked it, leave a like. If you didn't, I don't think you would have made it this far. If you have any information on this style Jacobsen reel mower, please let me know in the comments down below. If you have any questions, leave it in the comments down below. If you know anybody that would find this interesting, please send it to them. I appreciate it, and anything you do helps the channel out. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you next time.